A tonic triad is a type of chord that is made up of 3 notes played together, consisting of the first or root note, the third and fifth notes of a major scale. A major scale is a series of 7 notes that follow a specific pattern of whole steps and half steps. For example, we are working in the key of C major. The C major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. To build a tonic triad, you take the first, the third, and the fifth notes of the scale, and you play them together as a chord. This creates a C major tonic triad using C, the first, E, the third, and G, the fifth. When naming the key of a tonic triad, there are only 4 we need to know for grade 1 music theory. These will be C major, D major, G major, and F major. I recommend you practice reading and writing these key signatures as a strong foundation for your grade 1 success. Now let's look at key signature and tonic triads in more detail. As we have already noted, C major features no symbols in the key signature. The notes that make up the tonic triad of C major would be C, E, and G. G major. The key signature has 1 sharp, which is F sharp. To build a G major tonic triad, we would use the notes G, which is first, B, which is the third, and D, which is the fifth. D major. The key signature has 2 sharps, which are F sharp and C sharp. To create a tonic triad, we would use D, F sharp, and A. Finally, F major. The key signature features the B flat. And for the tonic triad, we will need to use the notes F, which is number 1, A, number 3, and of course C, which is number 5. Remember, the tonic, or the first note of the triad, will always help you to identify which clef you need to use. So music theory should be easy to understand, but if you are still scratching your head, which is not uncommon, or not familiar with key signatures or major scales, then these videos will bring you up to date in no time at all.